TJ here with Gotham from Windsor Circle. Windsor Circle is in the Magento space. They're doing predictive analytics. So you want to tell us a little bit more about that, Gotham?
Sure, happy to, TJ. Thanks for having us here. We're a predictive marketing software company. You hear about AI and data science all over the place, right? It's all around us, Siri, Echo, you name it, right? Watson, Einstein. Everybody's trying to figure out, like, how do I do more with my data? Data is so important. So many merchants have years of historical data. They're sitting on it, and it's gathering dust. All that data could be doing work for you. And so what we do is actually take 3 years of historical data, run a set of out-of-the-box predictive use cases against it, and then push that into marketing campaigns. So predicting when a customer is going to run out of a product so they can reorder more from you, predicting which customers are the most valuable in the future, being able to predict customers' gender. There's a bunch of things you could do with all that data, and all that delights the customer experience because you're anticipating what they want before they want it. And so when you target your marketing campaigns that way, you drive a great customer experience and you turn a lot of revenue as well. Yeah.
Now, is that going to be a complement to Magento Business Intelligence? Is it a little bit of a competing product? How does that position in the Magento space?
It's a good question. So we don't position what we do as an analytics suite. It's really about action, because all the analytics in the world are cool, but that doesn't make you cash, right?
Right.
So what makes you cash is going from analytics to action. And so Windsor Circle, we've created these 3 or 4 step wizards that, like TurboTax, right, for taxes, 3 or 4 steps, you're done. All of a sudden, you're not just figuring out what's going on in a chart and then trying to scratch your head about what to go do about it. You're actually doing it, right? So your campaigns are going out through MailChimp, through Bronto, through Salesforce Marketing Cloud, through a variety of ESPs that we work with. And so now you're in the fact of actually delivering a campaign versus like seeing a cool chart and then figuring out what do I do about it next. So Magento BI does some great things, so we think of that more as an analytics tool. We think of us as, that's what we're a predictive marketing platform versus predictive analytics. Does that make sense?
Absolutely,
yep.
Absolutely.
Yep.
So if you're using an e-commerce platform and you're acting, or you want to start acting instead of reacting to what's going on with your data, you need to call Windsor Circle and they can be your crystal ball for what's about to happen before it actually occurs.
That's exactly right. And we've got a Magento 1 extension and a Magento 2 extension. So we're excited to work with the Magento community. We were one of 3 finalists at Imagine this year for best use of customer insights in the category when they have the most applicants ever. So we're thrilled about our work in the ecosystem and excited to work with a number of agencies and SI partners as well. We're doing some neat work together. I liken it a little bit to all of you are launching e-commerce stores on Magento. And when you launch that store, instead of starting the marathon from mile marker 1, what if you could start that marathon from mile marker 10? Right? That's what happens when you can mine your historical data. So it's a great chance to get out the gate quickly and get that site ROI really fast. So exciting time to be doing more with data and AI. So we're excited to work with you guys. We're working with a number of great merchants and looking forward to adding value to your projects as well.
Awesome. So if they're interested in learning more about Windsor Circle, how do they get in touch with you?
Hit up our website, windsorcircle.com. You can also reach us at partners@windsorcircle.com. And we're looking forward to hearing from you guys. We've got all the other social media stuff if you want to reach us that way. And excited to add value to the community.
And if you happen to be at a show, or, obviously it'll be too late when you see this video to catch them at IRCE, just look for the people in the green pants.
We're the people in the green pants. I don't know if you could see it in that video.
I'm sure you can see it in the intro roll there.
There we go. Okay, cool. We're going to make you green.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, TJ.
All right, thanks.
Okay.